Hey hustlers, Miles here. Hope you had a great day. If you're an Etsy seller who is looking to, make more money on Etsy and, you don't want to waste your time, focusing on the wrong things, then in today's video, I'm going to, be talking about and sharing with you, what data really matters on Etsy and what we all should be focusing on if we want to build a successful business on Etsy. Let's get into it. So welcome back to Hustle Endeavor. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you like this video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. We're all about building successful brands online for more money, more freedom and a better future. And currently we're all working on building our Etsy stores up. So if you need help with that, please subscribe. And quickly before I begin, if you like this content, make sure you check out the hour-long Etsy print on demand masterclass I've put together for you for free via the link below this video. It's going to show you and walk you through the exact steps you need in order to build a six-figure business on Etsy using print-on-demand products. Again, links in the description below this video. So I thought I'd film this quick video for you today. As I've seen so many times that people are just simply focusing on the wrong things when it comes to their Etsy store, and that is they only focus on the number of sales they make. Now, bear with me, and I'll explain. You might be thinking, but Miles, of course that matters, how many sales you make per day. Otherwise, what's the point? So I was speaking to, one of my students the other day. They were, frustrated that, one store selling the same products is making almost double the amount of sales per day that they were. Now, to add some more context to this story, both these stores sell print-on-demand products. They both roughly sell the same kind of products. However, my students' prices overall were a lot higher. And my students' first thought was that, they should lower their prices in order to make more orders. Now, when we actually dived a little bit deeper, we actually worked out that even though this particular competitor seemed to be making, a lot more sales per day, actually, they were making less money and less profit overall because they were pricing so low, which was, kind of mind-blowing for, this particular person. So, I see a lot of sellers get hung up on, the amount of sales they make per day. And yes, you want to increase this. However, the only thing that really matters, when it comes to, selling on Etsy is, the average order value, or the amount on average a customer spends with you and the amount of profit you make overall. Let me say that again. It doesn't matter how many sales you make. The only thing that matters is the amount of money you make from those sales. It's far better to make more from less than less from more, okay? Why is that? Well, for one, there's more chance of you hitting your revenue goals, as you simply don't need to sell as many and find as many buyers. Number two, less orders per day means less work, less orders to track, less chance of something going wrong, less unhappy customers. So my advice for you watching is to run your own race. Okay, there are always going to be people willing to sell their products for less money just to make sales. There are some people, happy to make $1 to $2 profit on their products. Don't worry about those people. You need to build a business that works for you. If you want to make this work, especially with print on demand, you need to be able to sell your products for a decent price. And that's why I mention time and time again on this channel, focus on building a store that can sell at those higher prices through the way you brand yourself, the products you sell, and the niches you're in. So in summary, focus on your average order value and increasing this rather than just focusing on how many orders you make, a month or a day. Of course, getting more orders is important, but only if you're making enough. Don't waste your time comparing yourself to other people and other sellers and how many sales they make, because this is insignificant compared to your order value, okay? And of course, the only thing that matters overall, is your progress, your achievements, and your business. So focus on what matters. Focus on, where you are now and taking the steps you need to get to where you want to. So I hope you enjoyed the quick video. Hope you found it useful. Hope it helps you out. And if you want to learn how to increase your average order value and sell at those higher prices so you can make more profit and make more money overall, then make sure you check out my free 1 hour long masterclass that will show you the exact steps and processes you need to take if you want to build an Etsy store that generates 5 or even 6 figures in yearly revenue. Links in the description below this video. Again, please like and subscribe to the channel if you found this content helpful, and let me know in the comment section how you're getting on with your Etsy stores. Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.